Oh, I remember you. Oh, yes, I do. Orange Julep, 2007, 1969 Buick Lesabre. Original light yellow color, probably. Original hubcaps. Vinyl roof. Beautiful original condition. Not much mileage on this thing. Look at one of the old typical. You know, that was the trouble back then with old cars. The upholstery, specifically on the seats, was not really not top notch. They made these beautiful designs and floral designs, but they just tore easily. And I wasn't crazy about these dashboards in '69 and up. Unfortunately, I thought they looked rather dull than they were before. But you know, what are you gonna do? Man, those speakers really take away from that car a bit, eh? Well, whatever. It's just me. I still like it. I think it's a Lesabre custom, eh? Lesabre 400. Oh, premium model. Yeah, man. It's got a big fucking dent there in the trunk lid. Yeah. Right on. Look at this beautiful wrought iron fence of this home here in St. Anne de Bellevue on the western tip of Montreal. This classic car show. Perfect day for classic car show. June 16th. This one I filmed before. The Julep last year. Wildcat. Can you dig it? Yeah, that's it. I just remembered this car used to have white wall tires. It just goes to show you how people can't leave things alone, you know. It looks cool like that with those tires, but again, like I said, you know, it's just a lot of people never want to leave things original. So it's, what are you gonna do? I mean, that's just how it is. It is what it is. So the motor for this is probably a 350. I don't even like what they did with that steering wheel. But look again what I mean with the seats. Look how thin the material was. There's no wonder Tories, the fucking chrome is reflecting right in my eye. Can't see for Christ's sake. And you got your traditional Buick, I don't know, hash marks, whatever you want to call them, which used to be portholes in the 50s and 40s, you know.
With this car that he gave me, the guys would say what's that? What's that boulevard?
Oh yeah.
And you've got upper.
You can see how that looks a lot also from the front as the Riviera. Let me see if I can get a quick shot of her from the side before all these people start walking by. There you go, guys. Look at that. Fantastic. Hope you like that. Take care.